teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 12 Areas Related to Circles, Exercise 12.2, 9th question. Alright, now let's read the question. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. So there are 2 subdivisions in this question, so we are supposed to find those. Okay, so first of all, now let us understand the question and later on we can solve one by one. So there is a brooch. So you guys might be wondering what is the meaning of brooch. So a brooch is nothing but an ornament or a jewelry, so which we all used to use. Okay, so if you don't know what is a brooch, I'll just show the image of it. Okay, so first of all, there is a brooch which is made up of silver wire. Okay, it is in the shape of a circle. So here you can see a circle. So the diameter is 35 millimeter. Okay, so the diameter is 35 millimeter. Okay, then what will be the radius? Half of diameter, that is 35 by 2. Okay guys, so now we know the diameter and the radius. Okay, so the wire is also used in making 5 diameters. So what does it mean, 5 diameters? So actually this is not the actual figure, this is just for your understanding, basic understanding. So here now you can say this is a brooch which is in the shape of a circle. So this outer part, no, it is made up of silver wire. Okay, now let us draw the 5 diameters. So now you can see we have 5 diameters. So how can I say I have 5 diameters? Okay, so here the diameter means they are meaning the lines. Here you can see, so 5 diameter. So I'll just mark it. So here I have 1, the complete line. Okay, and here I have 2, and here I have 3, and here I have 4, and here I have 5. So there are 5 diameters in this particular circle. Okay, and then which divides the circle into 10 equal sectors. So what is a sector? So in this figure you can say this, like this thing, no, we call it a sector. Am I right? So let us count how many sectors we have. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have 10 sectors. Okay, so now we know, right, the basic concept and those things and all. So since you know the question very well, we can actually solve it. Okay, all right, so let us look at the first subdivision, guys. So this is the first subdivision. So in this first subdivision, now we are supposed to find the total length of the silver wire required. So here, according to the question, you guys know that this brooch is made up of silver wire. I just told you guys that this is a boundary, am I right? So the silver wire is used for making the boundary, the outer part of the circle, and it is also used for making the diameters, 5 diameters. How means, so here you can see the wire is also used in making 5 diameters. Okay, so here which wire? Silver wire. So silver wire is also used in making 5 diameters. So what are the 5 diameters? So 1 2 3 4 5. I just drew a few lines like this. Now how did I get these lines? Like this. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so these 5 lines, they are made up of the silver wire. So now we know the outer part. So outer part is made up of silver wire, and then the 5 diameter, they are also made up of silver wire. Okay, so we know that. Okay, so now why are we talking about silver wire? Well, because according to the first subdivision, we are supposed to find the total length of the silver wire required. Okay, how much silver wire we used for this, for making a brooch. Okay, so since you guys know the silver wire is used for making the outer part, so in maths we won't just call it as outer part of the circle, we call it as circumference, isn't it? Circumference means this outer part. Am I right? So what we are going to do is we are going to be adding circumference of the circle plus 5 diameters. Why? Because the wire is also used in making 5 diameters, isn't it? That's why what I am going to write now, circumference of the circle. Why circumference of the circle? Why? Because the silver wire, no, it is used for making the circumference of the circle, the outer part. Okay, so the boundary. So boundary means it is a circumference. Okay, plus 5 diameters. You know that it is also used for making the 5 diameters. Am I right? So the silver wire is also used for making the 5 diameters. That's why. Okay, all right, guys. So now, since we know that silver wire is used in circumference of the circle as well as the diameter, let us apply the formula. So what is the circumference of the circle? It is 2 pi r, and then plus 5 diameter. So according to the question, they mentioned 2 diameters here. Am I right? So one diameter is 35 millimeter and one more diameter is 5 diameters. Am I right? So you guys might be wondering what does it mean. So now you will get to know. Okay. So first let us write the 5 as it is. So they mentioned 5 diameter. So we have another one diameter, that is 35. Am I right? So where is it? Yeah. So we have another one diameter, that is 35. So we are going to be multiplying it with 35. Why? Because the entire circle has a diameter that is 35. Okay. That's why we are multiplying. Okay. So now since you guys know, we apply the formula. So now what we can do now, we can solve it. Okay, so 2 into, so pi value is 22 by 7 and the radius is 35 divided by 2. Okay, and then plus, so 5 into 35 is 175. Okay, 175. So now let us try to cancel the values. So here I can cancel 1 7 is 7, 7 5s are 35, 1 2 is 2, and here also 1 2 is 2. So is equal to, so 22 into 5 is 110. Okay, so denominator we don't have anything, and then plus 175. Okay, so when we just solve them, when we just add them, we get 285 millimeter. Okay, so why millimeter? Everything, no, the dimensions, everything is in millimeter, that's why I wrote millimeter. Okay, so now we solved the first subdivision. So now we are going to be solving the second subdivision. Okay, so this is the second subdivision. Okay, so what is the second subdivision? We are supposed to find the area of each sector. Okay, so since you guys know, so here we have 10 sectors. Am I right? So here we can call this one a sector and we can call this part a sector. Okay, so likewise we have 10 sectors. Okay, they mentioned it. Okay, 10 equal sectors. So we are going to find the sectors. Okay, so since you guys know, to find the sector, no, first of all let's write the formula. Okay, so what is the area of sector? So the area of sector formula is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So this is the area of sectors formula. Am I right? Okay, so we are just finding the area of sector. So the formula is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So but we don't have a theta. So what to do, guys? So how to find the theta now? So here they mentioned we have 10 equal sectors. Okay, so if they mention a number like this, we are supposed to use this number, right? That is 10. So here we have 10. So since you guys know, so the angle of the circle, the complete angle of the circle, no, it is 360 degree, isn't it? So we can say it is 360 degree. The complete angle of the circle is 360 degree. So since you guys know the complete angle, I told you guys it is 360 degree. So let us write it somewhere else. So we are finding the theta, no? So I'll just find it here. Okay. Okay. So since you guys know the complete angle is 360 degree. Okay, so total angle, it is 360 degree. So here they, since they mentioned 10 equal sectors, so there is a reason why they mentioned it. So we are supposed to divide it. So we are supposed to divide 360 degree divided by 10. Okay, why? Because they mentioned a value in the question, right? That too it is related to sectors. Okay, so that too we know that we have 10 sectors in this circle. Okay, so it will be useful for finding a angle, am I right? So that's why I am using it for finding an angle. Okay, so now I can cancel the zeros. When I cancel it, I get theta is equal to 360 degree. So now I have the theta. So let us apply the formula. So in theta, no, let us write 36 degree by divided by 360 degree into pi is 22 by 7 into radius r. So here it is r square. So 35 divided by 2 into 35 divided by 2. Okay. Okay guys, so now we substitute the values. So now we can what we can do is we can actually cancel this 36 and 36. So 136 is 36, 136 is 36. We have the 0, let us write it as it is. So 1 7 is 7, 7 5s are 35. And then what else we have? So now we can, what we can do is we can actually cancel this 10 and this 5. Am I right? One second. So let us cancel. So 5 2s are 10, 1 5 is 5. So now we have 2 and 22. We can actually cancel them. So 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. Okay. So now we can write rest of the values as it is, I guess. Yeah, we can do that. So here we have 11 and here we have 35. So 11 into 35 is 385 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, so when we just divide 385 divided by 4, no, we get, I'll write here, we get 96.25. Okay, so here since we found the area, no, it is millimeters square. Okay, and this is going to be our answer. Okay, so finally we found the answer. So this was the second subdivision. Finally we solved the second subdivision.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.